Hey guys, Machines and Mal here. I just wanted to show you this little machine I'm working on here today. It's called a core harvester, and what it does is it picks up cores from aerating. So if you've ever seen when they aerate a lawn, there's cores left all over the lawn. Well, this machine collects them. Basically what it does is it has this collector apparatus, pair of skis that slide along the ground. Up at the front here, they attach right there in a V formation, and this whole assembly drops down onto the ground with this lever like that, and then it collects the cores, and they get centered, funneled into the center, and then they get pushed up this conveyor belt with this chain and paddle system, and they get dropped onto this conveyor belt here, and then they get thrown into the bin. And as the bin fills up, you rake the cores away until you've got a full bin, and then you go and dump them with the dumper. So I'm just going to fire this baby up real quick. It's pretty noisy. I won't be able to talk. You won't be able to hear me when it's running, but I can at least give you an example of what it looks like when it's operating. So I'm just going to raise it off the ground. It's hydraulic powered off the PTO. So we're just going to start up this work truck. And then basically I'm going to turn this on and turn this off again. So you kind of get the idea of how it works. There's a cover plate, obviously, that covers this. I replaced this chain and did some service and repairs to this thing. Also replaced that foot as it was worn out, or sorry, that shoe. And just getting this baby ready to be used. Next week we're going to be doing some aerating. Here's the second one. Exact same system. This is a little bit newer model, but it's the same theory. Also a new chain, new slider, new shoe. Same idea. It just collects the cores with those and feeds them up to here, deposits them in the back of the work truck. Pretty cool stuff. I'll try and get a video of this thing actually operating next week when the weather's better. We hope. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Thanks for watching.